This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Okay, let's jump straight into it. Fenix Flexin is finally coming clean about using AI to create his track Rubberz. And honestly, the internet saw this coming from a mile away. The LA rapper had been pretty quiet about the whole thing until producer Medicine dropped videos claiming the song was AI generated. Now, Fenix isn't even denying it anymore. He's basically admitted it. Look, this is a massive moment for hip-hop because it shows us the industry is shifting. Artists are starting to embrace AI tools instead of hiding them. Whether that's good or bad depends on who you ask, but one thing's clear: the cat's out of the bag. We're entering an era where AI-assisted music isn't taboo anymore. It's just happening. Rubberz became this weird case study in real time. The 80s synth-pop vibes, the production quality, everything pointed to AI involvement. Now that Fenix has essentially confirmed it, we're all watching to see what happens next. Does the music industry crack down? Do more artists follow suit? Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Moving on to our second story, and this one's wild. OpenAI is literally pumping the brakes on a new AI model called Astra because it's supposedly too powerful. Yeah, you heard that right. The company that's been pushing AI boundaries is now saying, "Whoa, hold up." They're pausing internal activities around Astra development because it doesn't meet their new security standards yet. Think about that for a second. OpenAI has created something so advanced that they're worried about releasing it. They're implementing stricter safety protocols before moving forward. This announcement comes after increased scrutiny from regulators and safety advocates asking tough questions about AI development. OpenAI is basically saying they're taking responsibility seriously. They're not rushing to market. They're not cutting corners. Instead, they're building better safeguards. This is actually refreshing to see from a major AI company. It shows they're thinking about consequences, not just capabilities. The fact that Astra exists and is powerful enough to concern OpenAI tells us we're reaching some serious inflection points in AI development. Now let's talk infrastructure. Cloudflare just launched something called Kitesurf, and it's a browser specifically designed for AI agents, not humans. This is huge because it means we're building tools optimized for machines, not people. Kitesurf runs in the cloud and uses way less computing power than traditional Chromium browsers. Why? Because AI agents don't need all the bells and whistles that humans do. They don't need fancy graphics or complex rendering. They just need to interact with websites and gather information. This launch reflects massive demand from developers who are building AI agent workflows. They need infrastructure that's lean, efficient, and purpose-built. Cloudflare recognized this gap and filled it. We're watching the tech stack evolve in real time to support AI agents as they become more prevalent in business operations. Speaking of business operations, Rippling just launched something called AI Spend Console. Here's the context. Rippling discovered they'd blown millions on AI tools without really tracking it. So they built a solution. This product tracks individual and team-level AI spending across entire organizations. It's a wake-up call for every company out there. AI adoption is expensive, and most organizations have no idea how much they're actually spending. Rippling's tool helps companies see exactly where their AI budget is going. This matters because unchecked AI spending can spiral fast. Companies need visibility. They need control. This tool provides both. Finally, historian Jill Lepore has a fascinating theory about why tech leaders use such grandiose language when describing their products. She thinks they're basically trying to form new governments. The language is almost religious. It's almost sci-fi. And according to Lepore, Silicon Valley's leaders are actually pretty bad at reading science fiction, which is ironic. That's your AI news today. 5 minutes, 5 stories, pure AI action. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.